Hey guys, it's Farrah. Welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'd do something a bit different. I thought I'd do a face mask kind of chit chat video, and I've also got an unboxing as well because my Geiger bag has arrived. Anyways, I'm gonna actually put this face mask on. So this is a Lush face mask. £9 this was. This is what it looks like. So I love it. It's just so blue. So it says how to apply it. Use a smooth, generous layer of this vibrant blue mask with the face or body or both. Allow to sink in for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off. So I guess let's just get started. I feel like this is gonna be very messy. I don't have anything to apply it, so I'm just gonna use my finger. She said the best way to kind of get the best use out of this, to keep it in the fridge. It keeps like the coolness of it. So I said to her, I want something quite refreshing because I wear quite a lot of makeup. So I want something like refreshing with like cucumbers or lemon or something like that. She gave me this one. This, no, it hasn't got cucumbers in, but it's got lemon juice and it's kind of like a brightening mask. I'm gonna apply this and then I'll speed up the video. Recently, I've been going for quite a lot of house room shared viewings out of staying in a hostel. It's alright, but I want somewhere on my own. I like Newcastle, I kind of want to stay here. Everyone's very friendly. I'm so excited. I've got loads of different things planned for this, for my YouTube channel. You guys keep track of my videos, please. Like, I've got so many exciting videos that I've filmed. I've got a surprise, but yeah, I've got loads of different videos that I'm working on. They're just kind of taking a little bit of time and I'm not gonna post them until it's fully done. I'm gonna wash my hands and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna do this unboxing because I'm so excited for that. So as you guys see here, I bought something from Geiger. I feel like an alien. So yeah, this is what I bought today from Geiger. This has been a bag I've been looking at for ages. So long now, so many weeks I've been looking at it, and it's an investment and it's something where I've been looking at it. I've been wanting to buy other bags to kind of, because I need a bag. I need a big bag that is an over-shoulder one, and I've been thinking to myself, oh, I need a bag, and I was thinking to myself, oh, I'll just buy a cheap one from Primark, and I have to stop myself every time I think that, because I just want to save, and I've had my eye on this one for ages. So I just thought, you know what, instead of getting these cheap little bags from Primark, I'll just save the money that I'm going to spend on that one and save it towards this that I've been looking at. I've needed a bag, and this is why I got it, and oh, I love this. I'm so excited. So, actually no, I'm not gonna get it out yet. Where's the receipt? So here's the receipt. This one, so it's from Geiger. It was £189 altogether. I believe it's called the leather Kensington bag. So let's get into it. I'm very excited. I'm so excited. So this is how it comes. Yeah, I'm gonna open it. I'm so excited. I've been looking at this bag for so long, and it was either this one or it was another one which is white, or it was out of 3. So Geiger, they're selling so many bags at the moment that are just so wacky and like out there. It's such a statement piece. This bag that I've got at the moment, I'd say this isn't really like a statement piece, but some of their bags, like they're selling some of them and they're like full-blown rainbow. You've really got to like have guts to wear that. Even I was looking at it and I was like, oh no, I don't know, because not all outfits go with their bags. That's the one thing. And this one, I feel like this one I can get away with wearing with anything and everything. So that's why I got it, but I was so close to getting the rainbow one. I'm gonna stop talking and open the bag up now. So it comes in so much wrapping paper. Wow. So cardboard, more cardboard. So excited. So this is what it looks like, kind of. More cardboard and stuff. And lots of other stuff. Oh my god. I'm well excited. What the bag looks like. Oh, I love it. It's so nice. And the leather, it is, oh, so soft and so like, just fresh and new. I'll give you a close up and this is what it looks like. And then I'm going to get all of this little wrapping paper and stuff off so you guys can see the chain, because I'm obsessed with the chain. So it comes with, which I'm very happy about, comes with a Kurt Geiger dusk bag. Inside it's a little Kurt Geiger authenticity card. You guys can't really see that. So all of the wrapping is off of the bag. This is what it looks like. I'm so happy with it, honestly. I love it. This is a close-up of the bag. I love the chain. It's just so thick. And the chain is actually kind of heavy. So it just feels so like, oh, I love it. It's got 3 different compartments, which is really nice. It's a really good size, to be honest. So I was either looking at that bag or it was a smaller version, which is about this size, and they look exactly the same. They're that kind of style. It's just they're a smaller size, and they're about £150 to just £100. I feel like this is a really good investment piece. I'm really glad I bought it. I love, oh my god, if you guys can feel how soft the leather is, it's incredible. So yeah, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, bitches, for more content like this. And yeah, have a lovely day. Thank you for watching.